Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download n8n self-hosted and automate tasks locally. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Docker installed on your computer. You can download Docker from the official website. Follow the installation instructions provided for your operating system. Once Docker is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Next, pull the n8n Docker image by entering the command docker pull n8n. This may take a few moments as the image downloads. After the download is complete, you can run the n8n container. Use the command docker run dp5678:5678 n8neo/n8n. This command runs n8n in detached mode, exposing it on port 5678. Now, open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 5678. You will see the n8n user interface ready for use. To create an automation, log in or sign up to get started. Follow the prompts to set up your first workflow. From the sidebar, select the nodes for the tasks you want to automate. You can connect different nodes to create complex workflows. Once your workflow is designed, click on the Execute Workflow button to test it. If everything works as expected, save your workflow. Your n8n instance runs locally, allowing you to automate tasks directly on your machine. Consider securing your n8n instance for production use. You can do this by setting up a reverse proxy and implementing HTTPS. This ensures your data and automations are secure during operation. For additional customization, explore the available integrations within n8n. With n8n, you can connect various apps and services to streamline your tasks. Enjoy the flexibility and power of automation with your self-hosted n8n setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.